Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this braid and also how I did this look for New Year's. I am like all over the place right now, so I had to make this video really quick, but I hope this is helpful to a lot of you. And before I start, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, and most importantly, turn on my post notifications. Okay, so first we're going to start with the braid, and I just got all of my products here. And we're gonna attempt to do this thing. I did it like a while back when I was in Orlando, but I'm gonna do a side one this time, so we're just gonna prep for that. So I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna part. Ooh, I don't know if that's deep enough for me. There we go. And I'm just gonna take my dimming brush and I'm gonna brush it. As y'all can see, again, my hair is extremely curly in some places and then like straight. But we're gonna attempt this on my curly hair because I'm not blow drying it. Okay. So now I am gonna take my Eco Styler. This is my favorite kind. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil, and this is the only one I buy, and my mom and sister actually really like it too, so it must work some type of wonders. Taking my small brush for the front of my hair. And I'm just gonna put that all over. So then I do this method of where I just take it to the back first, just so I can get product on the front of my hair. And then I brush her back. I don't know why I do that. But then I'm gonna brush her forward. And get the front part. Oh my God. Oh, make sure y'all watch y'all forehead. And then I'm just gonna take this scrunchie. I'm gonna have to fix that part. And I'm gonna tie it. And pull. All right. Okay, so next I'm going to get into my edges. So I'm gonna take my edge brush and comb. I'm just gonna kind of comb out the pieces that I want to do. And mind y'all, I use I kind of like extra hair, like right there. I'm gonna use edge control. I mean, not edge control. I normally do edge control, but I'm just gonna use the Eco Styler because I really just have not been feeling edge control lately. Like, it hasn't been doing anything for me but flaking and getting white. So if y'all have like a suggestion of like an edge control I could use, please let me know. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this weave that I have. It's pretty soft. Where is the thing at? Okay, this is what she looks like. It is pre-stretched. The X Jumbo Braid pre-stretched is 56 in. And this is 1B because my hair is 1B. And it's kanekalon, but it's pretty soft and it's the African collection. So I'm just gonna take it. This is it. And it already has the rubber band on it, but I'm just gonna add my scrunchie to it. And I'm gonna take it like this. Oh, can you guys see? And I'm gonna take it like that. And then I'm gonna just, so that y'all can see, put one side like that and pull it. Ooh. So it can be like that. Because you're not going to be able to see the rubber band. And this is how I'm going to attach it to my hair. And like, so that it's like sitting up, I'm going to like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to do it like that. I feel like I've messed it up. Now it's on my hair, as y'all can see. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to separate my hair into 3 different sections. I'm going to pull from each section on the side to make the middle section. And then I am going to blend my hair into the middle section so that it will like hide it. And I'm just starting off my braid, and I'm just going to continue to like grab each section to basically start it off and then continue to braid it down. The hardest part is actually starting the braid. So once you get that down, it's pretty much simple after that. You just have to make sure it's attached to your hair. But I'm just going to continue to braid that all the way down. And then I'm just going to add a rubber band toward the end so that my braid won't unravel. I really don't dip my hair or anything. I just feel like that's kind of extra. But that's kind of how I just do my braid. And it's really, really simple for me, honestly. Okay, so this is the finishing braid, and if you're like me, when I braid, like I literally have so much, like I'm pulling and stuff because I can't braid like that. So I have to like put like a little bobby pin like right there so that my hair holds as much as it can. Where my other bobby pin go? Okay, so that's the finishing touch. This is gonna have to work for my new year. Okay, all right. So for the sake of time, I just went on and did my eyebrows and primed my eyes off of camera so that I can more so show you guys the eyeshadow look that I go for. So this is my Morphe 352 palette. And I really, really love this palette. And I'm going for more of a brown eye like I did in my last video. You guys have to check out. And I'm just going to show you guys how I kind of like got that. So the first shade I'm going to start with is going to be this shade right here. And I'm just going to put that on my eyelid. And I am using my Morphe M433 brush to kind of just put that on my eyelid. I hate when I'm doing stuff and my dad just like is like making the most noise. Like my dad is the noisiest person ever. Just really doesn't care. He making black eyed peas for freaking New Year. So I'm kind of just putting that brown into my eyelid and just working her through. And I'm trying to be as quick as possible as I'm doing this. So next I'm going to take my, where is it at? My blending brush. And I'm going to, just because I don't have any other brushes, I'm going to take this dark color and I'm going to put that on my actual eyelid.
That's so bad. Don't upload this.
Girl, upload this. And did you just trip? Okay, get out. Please, get out.
I'm trying to be discreet.
No, you're not discreet at all. That was my sister, y'all. And I'm just still working this onto my eye. How unprofessional can they be? So it's kind of like a dark eye. It's really, really simple. And then I'm gonna take my, I guess this is a Morphe brush. I'm just gonna kind of add something to like the corner of my eye. I'm just gonna add that there, just to kind of give it like a pop, you know, so that it don't look so boring. Kind of like this color. I feel like that's fun, you know? Okay, y'all, like I'm like all over the place. So next I'm gonna take my foundation. I have the Fenty foundation. This is the shade 370 and this is the hydrating one. And I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. My dad like, y'all gonna get left. I'm like trying to hurry it up. It's too far. And I'm just gonna pat that into my skin. I really don't like to put too much foundation on my face. I don't like to look super caked on. I know some people do, but me personally, I just don't. Like, it's just not me. For the sake of time, I have to do like a lot of stuff off of camera and it's like blowing my mind. But the most important part was the eyeshadow part, y'all. Like, this brown look is like super cute. Okay. And then next I'm gonna take my Toffee and LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna conceal my under eye because I look tired, as you can see. And I'm just gonna let this sit. Hey, oh my god, I've been doing so good. And I'm just taking that other side of the sponge and putting that concealer under my eye. I always add more concealer if I need to as well. Okay. And then I'm just blending all of this stuff in. Because I really can't even get... It's just too much. So next I'm going to take my NYX eye pencil, and it's the shade Black. I'm taking my highlighter, Morphe, my highlighting brush. Add it on my nose, to my cheek, just for like a little glow effect. Next, I'm going to line my lip. Oh, sorry, and this is my MAC lip pencil in the color Chestnut. I kind of overline, but hey, who cares? And then I'm gonna take my NYX soft matte lip cream in the color Dubai. I'm just gonna do my lip. I love a good lip cream. Again, I'm not no expert. And then I'm gonna spray. This smells so good. This is the Milani matte spray. Oh my God, y'all will love this. It smells so good. Oh my God. Whew. All right.